Dolphins! That's so cool. That's so cool. Got the whole pod playing on the bow. Woo! So close I can almost touch them. Yeah, there's heaps. They love playing on the bow. That's so cool. Woo! Hey! Awesome. Awesome footage of awesome creatures. That's so cool. Love it, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. Yeah. You don't need SeaWorld when you can come out and see it in the wild. So close I can touch them. That's so cool. Love it, amazing creatures.
Hello there. Today I'm going to do another swipe. I really enjoyed making my Christmas tree, and I was watching a video a few days ago from another artist. Her name is Madison Art, and she did a really lovely simple swipe, which I'm going to try and copy. I will leave a link to her video in my description. And I'm going to use, the colours today I'm using are my Jazz Art Byron White with silicone added. There is approximately 200 mils of paint, and I have added 7 drops of silicone. And the silicone that I use is the Montmartre silicone oil, and I've found that I've had pretty good results with that. I will also be using my black, which is Renault Art, my gold, which is Francheville and it's antique gold, and my own mix of ultramarine violet, which is 50% of my pouring medium, 30% of ultramarine blue and 20% of violet, and it gives just a slightly different purple colour. And I'll just be putting those straight down onto my piece of sign board and then swiping it through with a piece of damp paper napkin. So I'll get started now. I have a few small cells developing there. Because I've put so much paint on, I have allowed myself the luxury of being able to tilt. So I am going to now tilt it to get it right to the edges, and then tilt it the other way, this way, to bring out more of the paint and take off a lot of the white. There we go. That is different. I'm actually quite pleased with it. It's got a marble effect to it. I didn't want to use the torch. I was going to just leave it with whatever cells came through. But I have decided I will torch it to see if there is colour underneath. But I'll torch it in parts to see what happens. For example, this area is very bland. So I want to torch it here and see if I get cells coming through. Like that. Wow, that has made a big difference. I'll try that again. Gosh. I don't know if I want to cover the whole thing like that. I might just do other small patches in what I call my blend areas. Right, I'm going to go away and leave this now for a while just to see how much more of it develops. I'll be back in 10 or 15 minutes to bring it up and show you at the camera. I'm actually liking it more and more as I look at it. It kind of reminds me of gold rocks in a riverbed with the water, the grey stormy water flowing through, along with, of course, the purple coming up with little amethysts. So I will be back soon. Right, I got caught up on my phone, so it's been over half an hour since I walked away from this, and it's just looking so pretty. I love all the little wee clusters, and it still reminds me of going gold and gem hunting in a stormy type river with the grey. Doing this type of painting on a piece of signboard, of course, is completely different to doing it on canvas, as it has a very smooth surface. So when I was swiping, the white and the black were blending, and that is what has given that blended look in the picture. But gosh, I really love it. I'm so happy with the way that's come out. So I'm going to bring it up to the light now for you to have a closer look at, and you can see hints of the ultramarine violet colour that I used. There's quite a bit of the gold, which is lovely, and overall, I'm glad I didn't use the torch any more than what I did, as I love the straight patches along with the patches of cells. So that's it for me for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.